Hey guys, so it's Zach, and today I just wanted to kind of share what the scavenger hunt for the A7 activity was going to look like. So yeah, this is going to be a little bit of a different format. We're just going to go through the Google Docs that I have and just kind of visiting maybe two or three of the places that I kind of picked out. So for the first off on the list, we have the Spiragira Butterfly Garden. And for the hint I gave it, it just pretty much said that's a really cool place to visit in the spring and see insects interact with flowers. As you can see here in Google Maps, it is over here. And so, yeah, you can see it is, I think if you scroll in, it's close over here in San Jose. If you scroll in, it's near the Children's Museum. And yeah, so just wanted to point that out. And then we have the University of Costa Rica, which was actually close to there as well. Being able to see, and then I said for him, being able to see a new campus would be really cool in Costa Rica. The National Museum of Costa Rica, I said learning about Costa Rica would be an awesome way to see their culture. And then for the National Stadium of Costa Rica, I actually said getting to visit this place would be a score. So kind of including just some fun, and just some like riddle type stuff. And then for the amphitheater villa, I said with this place you would get to see how things would play out. Treep, which is kind of like this woodsy, foresty area, you'd be out in the woods with this tourist attraction. And then there's actually this really cool mountain nearby, and you would be able to visit it over here. And it's within this little mountain range over here. And we can see that there's like kind of on the to the right, to the east of San Jose, we get to see kind of like this mountain range and see Cerro Pico Blanco, and being able to really look and see that. So I think that'd be a really cool place to visit. And I pretty much just saw that Blanco was the third word in it, so I said the third word in this mountain area means white. And for the last one would be the Parque Aquático Valle Encantado. And so what this actually is a water park in Costa Rica. So this would kind of be more like of one of the fun activities, and being able to would probably be like one of the last day type of things on your, uh, you know, just on your study abroad trip. So yeah, just more of a day to relax and everything. And I just said it'd be a place to cool off and have some fun. So yeah, this is kind of the scavenger hunt and what it would look like. And so just kind of wanted to give some hints that maybe kind of represented what I would think maybe like what a crossword or would have or something like that, and maybe try to make it uh, base it off of a pun or just maybe describe it little by little. So yeah, thought that would be cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.